All right, we're live here at SHOT Show 2018 with the full ThermoSight Pro Series, and I'm here with Angelo. Angelo, tell me about the ThermoSights.
Yes, we're super excited to finally have the whole family together at once. The first unit that started shipping late last year was the ThermoSight PTS 233. So that's your 19mm lens. It's a 1.5 to 6 power optic. So it's really great for short range in out to about 200 yards. The next unit that is new today is the PTS 536. So we take that same sensor and we increase the lens size to a 50mm. So that's a 4 to 16 power. So you're going to extend that range performance as well. Now, the king of the heap, top of the pile here, the PTS 736. That's our 75mm. What that translates to is a 3-degree field of view. So if you're coyote hunting out west, if you're somewhere where you need to really take that long shot or get a whole lot of detail in your image, that's going to be the product for you. So we're excited to be able to offer all of them together and give those options based on what you might need as the consumer.
So maybe like we can go into a little bit more detail about eye relief. So
sure.
Could you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah. So these products have a special design back end. So we've designed this back ocular piece to provide 2.5 inches of eye relief. So that's a good, generous amount to keep them from coming in contact with your eyeball and giving you something to remember the hunt by.
So, and then also like using it with glasses, right? Like having that sort of eye relief.
Yeah. So you've got a diopter adjustment here on this knurled section, but having that generous eye relief, it's going to make it more functional for users with glasses, because some people wear their glasses very close to their face, others wear them further away, so you need that flexibility, and that's something that is unique to that eye relief.
And are these all 12 micron?
These are all the new 12 micron boson, and we're feeding that image directly into that high definition FLCOS display. So this is the newest, latest and greatest from FLIR, and we're really happy.
And I know we've talked about it in the past, but maybe for our audience watching live right now, but the video recording, can you talk a little bit about some of those features?
Yeah, so these cameras have onboard image and video capture. So you can record 4 hours of video and 1,000 stills. And all you got to do is plug them into your computer with the provided USB-C connector, and this is going to show up and operate just like a camera drive. So super easy. It's even got recoil activated video, so you can go in and set up the unit to record before and after a recoil impulse. So it's really, you don't even have to think about it. You can concentrate on what you're doing, and the camera will do the work for you. So great feature.
Yeah, very, very cool. So, and then, you know, I guess why this over some of our other thermal optics? Like this is obviously the newest and greatest, but like, give me the quick elevator pitch. Why this instead of a Q14? Because some folks are really, you know, they like to compare it to our previous Q14.
Yeah. Now we do have a lot of people asking that question, and it's a valid question. So where this product is going to differ over the Q14B, first on the front is lens size. So this is a 19mm lens, where the breech has a 9mm lens. So you're already at about a 30% of the capabilities of this product. Most importantly, the backside. We talked about that eye relief. The breech has a 16mm eye relief. That's not a lot. That's designed to be next to your eye, and that was the biggest factor in us deciding to restrict that unit only on handheld use. I mentioned earlier, we've got a generous 2.5 inches on these products. And that is ultimately going to make a much better use, much better experience. You're going to have more fun with it. And at the end of the day, the PTS unit's actually cheaper. So you're getting the right product,
right?
Same sensors, 60 hertz, all the functionality, with better optics on front and the back, designed to be a rifle scope.
Yeah, so this is designed to be on a rifle, and then something like the FLIR breech is designed for handheld use.
Handheld or helmet mount, where it's going to be right up against your eye. So
very cool. Yeah, hopefully that'll help answer some questions, because I know we've been getting this kind of question. And before we cut this off, we had a question about, you know, okay, cool, there's all these different color palettes, but what's the right color palette for me?
Sure. So that's a super common question. It's a really good question, and we're happy when people ask it. The short answer is that they're all the right palette. Okay? What I use might not be what you like, or what might not be what your friend likes. The ultimate deciding factor is going to be your environmental conditions. So you might find that outdoor alert is going to work better than black hot, or maybe a sepia, depending on what you're looking at and what you're trying to do. So play with them, use all the function built in. You're going to find what's going to work best for you. and that's the right answer. So,
awesome, cool. So I think this has been a pretty informative live stream for our audience. Stay tuned. We're going to be going hands-on with the FLIR breach later on, maybe if not today, definitely tomorrow. But continue to follow us here on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We're coming to you live from SHOT Show 2018.